on the latest episode of Poke Hunter. We are in Alameda South Shore. We're gonna see if we can break the L streak. We've been coming up with a bunch of machines that's either been broken or just flat out nothing inside of it. So we're gonna see what we can do today here. I think I came in on the wrong side. I've never been here before. Hopefully we can get some luck. Things have not been on our side lately. Just been stacked against us. Damn, I came in way on the wrong side. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there we go. At the green, you can see it. Parked all the way on the wrong side. Somebody was already here before me, so let's just go ahead and see. Yep, somebody was just here before me. So another L, but it's all good. We live to rip another day. Alameda South Shore. We out.